I've recently noticed that I have a lot of LEDs just laying around that I haven't used. Why not make a programmable LED project with them? So that's what we're going to do in today's video. My last Arduino Nano bit the dust from a previous experiment, so we're going to have to open up a new one. I might want to use this Arduino for other projects as well, so I'll mount male headers to the Arduino and female headers to my project. This way, the Arduino isn't directly soldered to the board and can be removed for future use. I decided on making a heart because it was simple to build and wasn't a boring shape like a square or a line. I marked the places where the LEDs should go to make a heart shape. The placement was quite difficult, but I eventually got the hang of it. I decided on red LEDs because hearts are usually red and I had the most LEDs of that color. One by one, I put the LEDs in the marked spots and bent the legs back to hold them in the board as I flipped the board over and soldered it. I did this for each LED until the heart shape was complete. All the negatives were connected through a resistor to ground on the Arduino. My plan was to connect each LED to one digital pin on the Arduino. Digital pins can be turned on or off by the microcontroller. The problem was that the Arduino only has 11 available digital pins, but I needed to control 16 LEDs. So, my solution was to just connect some of the LEDs to analog pins. Analog pins can output or read a range of voltages as opposed to just turning on or off. And these will be programmed to act like digital pins. Now, all that's left to do is write a program to display some LED animations.
One eternity later.
By far, my favorite animation is the single LED that goes around the heart. Let me know what your favorite animation was in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. It really does help me out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.